Good morning, this is Stephen with the National Weather Service office in San Angelo, Texas, with your Monday morning briefing. A few key points here with this briefing. Dry conditions are expected with seasonable temperatures throughout much of this week. A weak cold front is expected on Wednesday and could drop temperatures into the 30s for some areas on Thursday morning. Next chance for rain and thunderstorms appears to be Sunday and into next Monday with another strong storm system. However, rainfall amounts, timing, and severity are very uncertain at this time. And taking a look at the week ahead here, it looks like starting tomorrow, temperatures are going to be rising into the mid to upper 70s to around 80 degrees. And then, as mentioned before, that cold front will be pushing into the area. That should drop our high temperatures down to the low to mid 70s, even being held into the upper 60s for some areas. This will be followed by a warm up here going into the weekend, back up into the upper 70s to around 80 degrees before the arrival of that next system for early next week. And with the arrival of that second system here for early next week, we could see chances for rainfall. At this time, though, as a reminder, we don't have a whole lot of information on this quite yet, but we'll hope to get a better idea of what could occur here by later this week. Once again, here, this first cold front that should arrive here on Wednesday, we could see temperatures dropping down into the low to mid 40s for most areas. However, some low-lying and more rural areas could see temperatures dropping down into mid to upper 30s. Here's the latest drought monitor, which does show D0 or abnormally dry conditions across the Concho Valley and down into the Edwards Plateau, with some moderate drought conditions continuing here for much of the Northwest Hill Country. Should be noted, however, that this was published prior to the heavy rainfall that occurred on November 7th through 8th. Drought conditions may have decreased in some areas, and so our next briefing on Thursday should include the latest drought conditions and be reflective of the rainfall that occurred here late last week. And take a look at your 6 to 10 day outlooks. According to this, for the period for November 16th through 20th, we are looking at slightly above normal temperatures. And keep in mind now that we are into mid-November, normal high temperatures for around here are in the mid to upper 60s. 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook during this time period as well. We are actually looking at above to slightly above normal for rainfall amounts. And taking a look here, of course, normal precipitation amounts for this time of year are only about 0.15 to 0.25 inches. So it doesn't take much to get above normal for precipitation this time of year. As a reminder, here's the regions we referred to in our briefings here throughout West Central Texas. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to contact us by phone, by email, monitor us here on social media, as well as visiting our webpage. Otherwise, our next briefing will be taking place on Thursday by noontime, November 14th. Enjoy your day.